guys, welcome back. It's Miss Beverly. So today we're going to be learning about different types of apples and what are the parts of apples. Okay, so here, I'm not sure if you guys can actually see it really clear, but here it says different apples, and I have an apple here, a green apple, and a red apple. Okay, so we're going to be talking about the seeds and the skin and the flesh and the core and of course the stem. Okay, so for example, this apple right here is called the core. The core of the apple right here, C-O-R-E, core. So the core of the apple is actually the center of an apple, which you guys can see the seeds. So these little things right here are seeds. Okay, so these are the seeds, and you guys can actually, they're more visible when you cut an apple. So if you cut an apple in half, you'll be able to see the seeds. If you eat the apple all the way to the core, you can also see the seeds. Also, another fun fact, there's different colors of apples. So as most of you guys know, there are red apples and there are green apples. Okay, so green apples are a little bit more sour, and then red apples are a bit more sweeter. Green apples are a bit rounder, and some red apples are a bit more longer or even bigger. And red apples are sweeter. Also, there are yellow apples. I'm pretty sure you guys seen yellow apples if you guys have gone apple picking or in your local supermarket or on the farm or on a farm stand. You will see that there's yellow apples. Yellow apples are really good as well, and some of them change yellow because of the season. That could be possible. And they taste really good as well. So they're a bit between sour-ish and sweet, but more on the sweeter side. And right here we have stems. The stems is the brown part of the apples. Now you see them here. And some of the stems carry leaves. It depends on the apple. If it has, some of them have leaves and some of them don't. Also, we can use apples for composition. To decompose the apples. When you decompose apples is when you dump them, for example, on soil and then the worms eat it. But it also makes plants grow. So don't think that an apple core is garbage. It can actually be useful for really good things. Also, apples could be used to make apple pie, to make apple salad, to make even a fruit salad as well. Or you guys can use it for cake. Some people like to add apple to cake. Some people like to even eat sliced apple with peanut butter. However you guys feel, or even to use on shakes, which is really good. So an apple juice, however you guys feel the need to use the apple, you guys can use it in the most healthy way as possible. Apples are really good for you as well. Okay, so the skin and the flesh of an apple, it's the outside part. So as you can see up here is the skin and flesh. Okay, and flesh. All right, so here is the skin and flesh. Okay, and flesh. All right, so the color of the apple, it's because of its skin. Okay, so which also is flesh as well, but the inside of the apple would always be white, like a whitish, yellowish color. Okay, that goes for all apples, including even if you see the core, it would change. But sometimes when you decompose the apple, and put it on the recycling bin, it could change colors a little darker and get a little bit more rotten and stuff. And when an apple gets a little rotten, it has like little patches of holes and stuff, and the color gets a little bit more darker and mushier, right? And there's also I'm sorry that I didn't mention, but there's also different types of colors of red apples. There's a darker color that's like a more like a wine red color, and there's like a really bright red color. Some of them are even mixed with like yellowish and red, and I told you, as I mentioned, it's because of the season. So just like as a tree, an apple can change color. Okay, so you guys already know, and apples obviously are fruits, and as we mentioned in our other videos before from our food pyramid, every fruit has seeds. It doesn't matter, every fruit has seeds, okay? Whether it's like a strawberry has little seeds, a watermelon, of course apple, all right? So now that I gave you guys a little introduction on what are apples and different parts of apples, now we're going to head over to our little cooking station. So we're going to help you guys and watch us do a little presentation for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.